will be a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. This is relatively easy to install, and it should only take you about an hour to get the job done the first time. If you do pop this off and put it on whenever you want to use it on your Ram, it is going to take you less time the second time. Now, speaking of the install, one of our customers here has put this on their Ram and is going to walk you through what that process looks like step by step. So that is going to wrap it up for my review. Let's go ahead and get into the install.
So you'll get 2 types of brackets for the Ram 1500. 2017 I used this one that has the longer piece over here, and this has the shorter one, so I use this one. First thing you want to do is put your washer right there. You want to take this bracket and put it through, and then face it this way. You want to have this bracket facing this way, and you just want to put it inside like that, and then there's going to be threads inside that you will want to get this in. So inside right there, you just want a couple turns and then stop. Once you have it put together, you just have to repeat this process 3 more times, and you have 4 of these brackets. The next step is you want to take this bar, this end piece off with the key. So you take it off, and then this bracket right here, you want to have this piece all the way up, and you can see it lifts up this part over here, and it enables you to slide this part into the bar like this, and then just go ahead and slide it in through the slots, and then go ahead and put your end piece on with the key this way. It only goes on one way, and then lock it. Now that you have this assembled, repeat this process 3 more times for each end of the bar. To adjust this, the position of this, you have to have this facing down like that, and then once you have it in the right place on your vehicle, you have to pull this part up, and then it doesn't go anywhere after that. Next step, once you have it all assembled, open the 2 doors on each side and put this thing on. Now looks like it needs to be wider, so I'm gonna adjust this, slide it up, and just like that, I'm gonna push it further out, and just do this until this clips on both sides like that, and then after that you're gonna want to push this part down and start tightening this bolt over. Once you have it on your roof, make sure this is flat against the roof over here, and this bracket is down like that, and then go ahead and push this with your hands, or pull on it as much as you can, so it's not up here but it's down right there, and then you just go ahead and tighten these with your hands, and I just go back and forth. I tighten it a little bit on this side and then go to the other side and tighten it until it should not slide like this once it's tightened down. So once you can't tighten it with your hands anymore, what I did is I got some pliers and I taped them just so they don't scratch the plastic, and I gave it a couple of extra turns just so it's a little bit tighter than hand tight. And right there, you should be able to put a lot of weight on it, and it shouldn't move and it shouldn't slide anywhere.